To set up a collaborator in Quantum Cloud, you'll first need to log in. Once you've opened up your chosen case file, click on the Tools button in the top right of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Quantum Collaborate. You'll then see this screen. Enter the name of the email address of the person you'd like to collaborate with into the fields provided. Now choose whether your collaborator is a client or a barrister. In this video, we're adding a client. Now click the Create Collaborator button. Once you've done so, the system will take a few seconds to create the secure account. Please don't navigate away from the page until you see the next screen. Your collaborator's account has now been created, and their case information from Quantum will automatically be shared with them. The case information shared with the collaborator includes their details, the other party's details, any relevant dates, the details of any children, and the solicitor-only sections. Please note that your collaborator will only be able to see the solicitor-only sections. They won't be able to amend them. You'll notice that it says data is identical next to each of these case information sections. When your client submits their forms back to you, any changes they have made to their case information will be highlighted here. Now that you've created an account for your collaborator, you will want to share a form with them. You can do so from the screen that you're already on. To share a form with your collaborator, first click the Select Forms button. A pop-up box will appear like this, showing a list of the forms you can ask your collaborator to complete. You can share multiple forms or just the one. In this case, we're going to select Form E. You can share forms that you have already started yourself for your client to amend, or forms that haven't been started yet, so your client can start them first. To share Form E, select it, and then click the Save Form Selection button. If we wanted to share other forms at the same time, we would simply need to select those two before clicking the Save Form Selection button. You will now see that the forms you've selected, in our case Form E, are listed under Shared Forms on the Collaborate dashboard. That means that your collaborator will have received an email with a link to the forms that you've shared and instructions on how to access them. It's now simply a matter of waiting for your collaborator to make changes to the forms that you've shared. For more on how to get the most out of your Quantum Cloud, watch one of our other tutorial videos. Or, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Class Legal directly. Thanks for watching.